Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the leveling foot in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 5/16" nut driver, a 5/8 open-ended wrench, and a wooden block. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new leveling foot. The leveling foot is installed at the back of the dishwasher and is used, as you probably guessed already, for leveling the dishwasher. The main reason why the leveling foot would need to be replaced is if it's stripped or cracked. Open the door and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove two screws that secures the dishwasher to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shadow valve just in case the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Pull the dishwasher out. Tilt the dishwasher forward and place the wooden block underneath. Then unscrew the leveling foot, turning it counterclockwise. This is the old leveling foot next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Screw in the new leveling foot by turning it clockwise. Tighten the stopper screw if it's there. Depending on the type, you will need a Phillips or a Torque 20 screwdriver. Remove the wooden block and install the dishwasher under the counter. Pull the drain hose, the inlet hose, and the power cord through the divider. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. Open the door and secure the dishwasher to the countertop with the two Phillips screws. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.